Hi there. In this video, we will go over how to reset the iDRAC via the web GUI. To begin, log into your iDRAC using an administrator login. Once logged in and the dashboard appears, navigate to the Maintenance tab and then select Diagnostics. On this dashboard, you can see that you have a few options. The first option, Reset iDRAC, acts as a soft reset for the iDRAC only and doesn't affect server host operations. The second option is the command box, which makes it possible to input iDRAC command lines directly from this screen. And finally, the Reset iDRAC to Factory Defaults button, which will give you several options before initializing a reset. Please ensure that you're selecting the correct option that is relevant to you before continuing. And that's it. For more information on resetting your iDRAC and guides for different versions, click on the link to the Knowledgebase article in the description below, and check out our other videos for more handy tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.